Watch it. Pigeons and panties start to do the same thing. Take it off. Every venue full up. When we leave, we carry the party on the plane wing. Everywhere we go, but it's the same thing. Same sound, same drink, same bling bling. Same situation with a pretty girl. Hear the vibe and exposing our ting ting. I don't know if it's a name thing, but I know it is the perks of the fame thing. So when you see the trio, we carry the fame kings. Girls dropping draws like it's a rain thing. Salute like it was a Lancelot. We drop the beat and everybody dance a lot. We book the venue and every stand full up. We get the love from when every fan pull up. Yo, show me your hand up, come on, show me your hand up. What the place to turn up, we don't want nobody stand up. We come to rock the party, yeah, we come to rock it over from tonight until tomorrow when the sun up. Watch it here, let me bust the line. Scatter crowd right now, it's the monster time. Crowd a ball like when gangster bust the nine. You ball like I was Busta Rhyme. You can't see this I said you must have climb. You this way, you must have deaf, you must have blind. Police on the scene like it was lots of crime. They call them a murder week with lots of wine. Guess why? Because we on the television. Click, 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 we still on the television. Cool it, you don't need no facial recognition. Guess we in analog or higher definition. Girls looking at me like I'm a premonition. So them focus so hard on me like if I was a vision. Destroy the whole venue, that is the mission. Better catch the pattern and rehearse the repetition now. Richie, Chillionaire, and Bunchy. Well, everybody put your hands up, put your hands up. Well, everybody put your hands up, put up your hands up. Well, everybody put your hands up, put up your hands up. Well, everybody put your hands up, put up your hands up. Well, everybody put your hands up, put up your hands up. Well, everybody put your hands up, put up your hands up. Well, everybody put your hands up, put up your hands up. Well, everybody put your hands up, put your hands up. Famous.